Hello, I'm Jim Cross from Village Missions. I've been talking to our giving partners about the new tax law, and to hear most people tell it, the new tax law is bad for churches and ministries because fewer people will itemize deductions. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not all bad. In fact, the charitable deduction is the one deduction that escaped tax reform virtually unscathed. Even if you're among the 70% of taxpayers that do not itemize, Congress left intact many giving techniques available to help you be a tax-savvy giver. We're here to do a series of short videos to help you be more tax-savvy with your giving so that you can do more for your church and your favorite ministries. So this is Tax-Savvy Giving. So, what if you could put the checkbook away and use your resources in a more tax-effective way? Today, I want to zero in on very effective giving strategies for our senior givers over age 70 and a half. This strategy is something that every senior over age 70 and a half can take advantage of, whether you itemize or not. The IRA Qualified Charitable Distribution will enable you to give and reduce your taxable income even without itemizing. The IRA Qualified Charitable Distribution is a permanent part of the law and remains unchanged under the new tax code. If you're over age 70 and a half, you're required to withdraw your required minimum distribution, otherwise known as RMD. You must take your RMD whether you need it or not, or you'll suffer penalties, and your RMD adds to your taxable income. Sometimes, when you add to your taxable income, it results in your Social Security pension being taxed as well. That is a double whammy. So, if you're already writing checks to your church and favorite ministries, you can put the checkbook away and give directly from your IRA through the Qualified Charitable Distribution. The gift that you make counts toward your RMD. When that happens, the RMD is not counted in your taxable income, and a reduced taxable income may keep your Social Security pension from being taxed. The IRA Qualified Charitable Distribution is truly a tax-savvy way to do your giving and reduce your taxable income. So if you're used to pulling out the checkbook to make your contributions, I encourage you to put the checkbook away and instead call your IRA custodian and instruct them to make a qualified charitable distribution to your church and favorite ministries. Now there are just a couple of gotchas to watch out for. The distribution check from your IRA custodian must be made payable to the church or ministry. Please don't accept a distribution payable to you and then write a check in turn. That will disqualify the charitable distribution. You can deliver the check personally, but make sure that the check from your custodian is made payable directly to the church or ministry. Now, you may want to make gifts from other retirement funds. You may have a 401k or a 403b, and you can take advantage of the IRA Qualified Charitable Distribution as well, but you'll have to take an additional step. You'll need to open an IRA and then direct your custodian to make the direct rollover into the IRA. So to review, the IRA Qualified Charitable Distribution is something that everyone over age 70 and a half can use. It will keep the RMD out of your income and lower your taxable income, and perhaps help you keep your Social Security pension out of your taxable income. So put the checkbook away, call the IRA custodian, and be a tax-savvy giver. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to tax-savvy giving, please contact us through our website, villagemissions.org. You can find us on social media or just give us a call at 800-617-9905. We will be honored to help you in any way that we can.